Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to use VB audio cable on a Mac. It's a virtual audio cable. It lets you route audio between different applications. Unfortunately, VB audio cable isn't natively available for Mac OS. But don't worry. We can achieve similar results. We'll explore alternative solutions. These work just as well. Let's get started. First, let's discuss what we need. You'll need a similar program. A popular choice is Blackhole. It's a free, open-source virtual audio driver. You can download it from Existential Audio's website. Make sure you get the version compatible with your Mac OS. Once downloaded, install Blackhole. Follow the installation instructions carefully. Next, we need to configure our audio devices. Go to your Mac's System Preferences. Click on Sound. You'll see Input and Output tabs. Under the Output tab, select Blackhole 16CH, or the appropriate channel count if you chose a different version. This makes Blackhole your main output device. Now, go to the Input tab. Select your microphone. This ensures your microphone works for recording or streaming. Now, we need to set up multi-output device. This allows you to hear the audio too. Open Audio MIDI Setup. You can find it using Spotlight Search, Command plus space. In the Audio MIDI Setup window, click the plus button in the bottom left corner. Select Create Multi-Output Device. In the Multi-Output Device settings, check the box next to Blackhole 16CH. Also, check the box next to your built-in output or headphones. This combines the outputs. Ensure drift correction is checked for all devices. Select your primary output device as the master device. Next, select your desired application, such as OBS Studio or GarageBand. In the application's audio settings, set the input device to Blackhole 16CH. This routes the application's audio to Blackhole. For the output, set it to your multi-output device. This lets you hear the audio along with the application's audio. Now test your setup. Play some audio in your application. Check that the audio is being routed through Blackhole. Verify you can hear the audio through your headphones or speakers. You might need to adjust the volume levels in your application or system preferences. If you face any issues, double-check all your settings. Ensure the correct input and output devices are selected. Remember, the key is to route the audio correctly. Blackhole acts as a virtual cable. It carries audio between your apps. By using the multi-output device, you can monitor the audio in real time. This method provides a flexible way to manage audio on your Mac. It's similar to how VB audio cable works on Windows. Experiment with different configurations. Find what works best for your specific needs. This technique is useful for recording, streaming, and more. Now you understand how to use a VB audio cable alternative on your Mac. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video. Subscribe for more tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Supporting the channel helps create more content. Sharing the video with others is also appreciated.